First, I just want to say,
Movement Mortgage, that's us.
I love you.
We love you!
Hey.
From the football field to the housing market, Super Bowl champion Casey Crawford entered the real estate market with just 4 employees in an effort to make it easier for home buyers to secure a mortgage.
That led to really exponential growth from, like I said, 4 employees to about 5,000 today.
You may have picked the worst time possible to start. In 2007, you were Googling how to start a mortgage company.
How'd you do it?
Well, you know, actually...
We care about mortgages.
A lot.
Obsessed, really.
That's true.
We do mortgages fast.
I'm talking fast. Crazy fast.
Super fast, like lightning.
I'm talking fast.
Crazy fast.
Thanks, Movement Mortgage, for helping me to close on my first home.
They made everything so simple and easy for us.
We had a great team and they supported us 100%.
My husband and I were able to close on our house in 3 weeks.
Thank you, Movement Mortgage.
Thank you, Movement Mortgage.
Oh, yeah.
We love to serve
Our community.
neighbors, veterans.
And kids by giving away our profits.
People don't care about how much you know until they know about how much you care. You know, movements and what we do or doing mortgages, it's really just a vehicle for us to pour into communities, whether it's in the States or abroad.
That's our favorite part. So join the movement.
Join the movement.
Join the movement.
Join the movement.
Movement.
Join the movement.